start this walk from University Place and just outside Washington Square Park. We'll take a walk north and head towards somewhere close to Union Square. I don't get downtown on the east side all that often, mostly around kind of the west side. So I won't say this is new to me, but it's like not as familiar.
It's like fucking hype goes in about it, so it's part of it.
Coming up on East 9th Street. If you haven't already noticed in the videos by now, New York functions on a lot of delivery. So you'll see, people delivering food, clothing, everything by bike, by car, by foot. It's kind of a convenience-driven city, and simply because also a lot of people don't own cars here. So everything really functions on convenience. You can get pretty much anything delivered to your place at almost any time of day also. See a lot of these still up. These structures went up during the pandemic to help keep the restaurants alive in the city. I saw an article this morning about a lot of them being torn down, but I think it was mostly the ones that are not being used very often, and those that have kind of fallen apart also. I think a lot of them will stay up and it will continue to have this culture of outdoor dining in New York City, which is nice, especially in the summer. In the winter time it can be a little cold to obviously dine outside, but you get days like this where it's 50 degrees plus, and it's not that bad. But definitely in spring and summer these outdoor structures are great for bringing a little European style to New York City also, and being able to dine outside. And again, it just helps keep the restaurants alive, and they're part of the lifeblood of the city also. So Pretty nice looking one. We'll see what happens in wintertime. They put up kind of warmer structures also. I think they have heaters inside them and a little more closed off so that people can still dine outside and have the feeling of dining outside while being warm and sheltered from the New York winter elements. Some interesting little restaurants around here. I don't get down the street very often. Kind of nice. So we're coming up towards Union Square pretty quickly. It's just above East 14. So we'll end the video probably pretty soon. So we'll do a separate Union Square video for you guys to see. We'll see, it's become a little busier as we head up towards that direction, so we'll end this one shortly. Alright, let us know what you think.